Howdy campers, it's Liam here again from Tent World up in Townsville. Here today to show you a brand new product that's just hit the shelves at all of our stores. The brand new OZtrail 6 metre LED strip kit. Now I know what you're saying, what am I going to do with one 6 metre strip? OZtrail have already thought of that. This box is actually 3 separate 2 metre strips in there. So let's get these other ones out of the road. I'll open this one up. Let's have a look at what's actually inside. So as we open the box, pull everything out. As you can see, to start with, we've got our 3 2 metre LED strips, nicely rolled up. Also comes with a couple of connections, a couple of extension leads here. So we've got 2 little extension leads here, 1 power cable, separate second power cable, 2 dimmers, 1 more extension lead there. We also have all these little yellow ties. Now these ones are perfect for tying your lights up inside your tent or inside the frame of your gazebo, any sort of stuff like that. It's going to hang them up nice and easy. So if you haven't seen these ones before, all it is, you see the little tail on the worm here, goes straight through the hole. Now they will be a little bit tough first time you take them out of the packet. Give it a bit more, and there we go. Nice and secure, you can tie your lights up pretty much anywhere. Now let's have a look at how bright these ones actually are. We have our 2 metre LED strip. Now you might be able to notice that there are some different colours going on in this one. So we've got some little white squares and some little orangey squares. So you can either have these ones set on the white light, which is a bit brighter if you want to see around your campsite a bit better, or put it on the amber light to deter the bugs. Grab one of my power cords. Now these connections, you might have seen them before. OZtrail have used these ones for quite a while. They're still the same connections. So if you do have some old strips, you can actually add these ones to your old lighting system. Just a simple plug, and then from there, they actually screw on, but there's no way this one's coming out. So from here, we'll get these ones going so I can actually show you the difference between the white and amber light. What we're going to do first, we're going to attach our dimmer. It's like the plugs that OZtrail have always used. It's just a simple plug in and screw up. Makes that nice and secure. And then we're going to do the same thing again. I've got my 12-volt lead with the cigarette plug on the end. Plug her in and screw her up. So we're all plugged in and ready to go. I've got a portable battery just sitting beside me here. All it is a simple push of a button. Now remember, please don't look directly into it. It is going to start with the white light, so it is going to be quite bright. So each 2 metre strip of the white light gives off 1,250 lumens. So please do not look straight into this one when you turn it on. Your amber light, it only gives off 400 lumens, but its job is to deter the bugs, not so much bring the brightness to the campsite. All right, so at a simple push of a button, there we are. We have our white light. Now that one is quite bright, really light up a campsite, but might bring the bugs around. You might have a few mosquitoes hanging around. Fire's not really doing the job it's supposed to. Hit that button again, bam, you got that nice amber lighting. Gonna keep those bugs away. Might even set a little bit of a mood as well. When you're done for the night, all it is, simple push of a button, and your lights are off again, you're ready for bed, and they're all ready to go again for tomorrow. So this one will be a great little addition to your kit. It doesn't take up that much room at all. And like I said before, if you've already got those OZtrail lights, these ones can just add on to your whole lighting setup, as easy as that. So these ones have rolled out in all of our stores nationwide and in the online warehouse. So come down and see us if you need some more info, or if you've seen enough, jump to the website and grab yours today. As always, please remember, happy camping.